you're driven by your greed, here's a lesson I would heed. When you take more than you need, you'll have one massive mouth to feed. Running high, I'm wide awake as I decide what shape I'll take.